Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ashley, and if you're not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm trying something new with my hair. I'll be using Cécred setting foam wrap for the very first time. Now on Cécred's website, it says that you can use this setting foam wrap for roller sets, heatless curls, braid outs, pixie styles, or wraps, but it didn't say anything about a twist out. Well, I decided to do a twist out and test it out myself, and I'm going to bring you guys along the way. In this video, I will be showing you exactly how I apply the foam wrap, how it feels on my hair while styling, and of course, we'll be taking a look at the final twist out results. I'll also be sharing my thoughts on the product, including the moisture, the hold, the definition, and whether I think it's worth adding to your natural hair routine. So if you've been curious about Cécred setting foam wrap and wondering if it can work on a twist out, well girl or a guy, keep watching because we're about to find out together. But a quick update for those who have been following my Cécred air drop journey. As usual, I'm applying the drops to the side of my head where I feel my hair is a little thinner than the other side. I've been sharing monthly updates on this progress here on my channel, and I've been consistently using the product to see if I notice any changes over time. If you've been watching my previous updates, thank you so much for following along on this journey with me. I'm getting close to wrapping up the testing period, and my final Cécred airdrop update video will be coming soon. In that video, I will be sharing my overall results, showing before and after comparisons, and giving my final thoughts on whether I think the product works for me or not. So stay tuned for that update. Now back to this video. As I'm applying this Cécred setting foam wrap, one of the first things I noticed that this product is not watered down at all, y'all. And a little goes a long way. For each twist, I only use about a half a pump of the product, and that was enough to evenly coat the section. As I work it through my hair, it felt very moisturizing and lightweight all at the same time. And another thing I liked is that it wasn't sticky or tacky. My hair felt soft and smooth, and the product distributed easily throughout each section. And of course, it smells good. The scent wasn't overwhelming, but it's definitely noticeable and makes the styling experience even more enjoyable. So far, first impressions are looking pretty good. Now let's finish these twists and see how the final results turn out. Before I start taking down my twist, I'm going to be using Cécred's hair oil. This size I have is the 0.7 fluid ounce bottle. It's that liquid gold, if you know what I mean. First, I apply the oil all over my hands and then lightly distribute it throughout my hair. Then as I'm taking it down or taking each twist down, I add a little more oil to my fingers and apply it all over the strand before I begin untwisting. I like to do it this way because it helps reduce friction while I'm separating the twist and minimize the chance of creating unnecessary frizz. It also helps keep my hair feeling soft and adds a little shine during the takedown process. So for every twist, I'm applying a small amount of the liquid gold oil to the strand first and then carefully untwisting it before moving on to the next section. Now that my hair is completely taken down, I am really happy how my twist out turned out. The Cécred setting foam wrap gave my twist great definition, as you can see. Each twist is well defined and my hair looks smooth and moisturized without feeling weighted down. I also noticed that it added a nice shine to my hair, which I always appreciate in a finishing style. Another thing I like is that my hair still has movement and bounce. Sometimes products that provide hold can leave the hair feeling stiff, but not in this case here. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you made it this far into the video, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, drop down in the comments and give me your opinions and thoughts about this video. Until next time, you guys, I see you guys in the next video. Bye.